Are you seeking a natural and effective solution for blood sugar support? Then, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will unveil everything about GlucoFlush and how it can transform your health. Before delving into the details of GlucoFlush, a crucial alert: be extremely cautious about the website where you purchase the product. GlucoFlush is exclusively sold on the official website, and to make it easier, I've left the link in the description below. Millions of people face daily challenges related to blood sugar. This can impact not only physical health, but also overall quality of life. If you resonate with this, know that you are not alone. The ingredients of GlucoFlush are the heart of this powerful formula. Comprising a careful selection of natural elements such as fenugreek seeds, marshmallow root, black walnut hull, among others, each component plays a crucial role in promoting health. These ingredients, supported by scientific studies, synergistically work to support blood cleansing, maintain a healthy pancreas, and balance intestinal flora. Incorporating GlucoFlush into your daily routine yields tangible and impactful results. Users report stabilized blood sugar levels, a renewed sense of vitality, and, above all, a significant improvement in the quality of life. This is not just a product, it's a path to more complete and balanced health. You can test GlucoFlush for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you're not satisfied for any other reason, they'll refund your money. Using GlucoFlush is easy. The bottle comes with a dropper. Simply add a daily dose to your orange juice, tea, or pure water. The liquid is quickly absorbed, initiating the process of supporting your blood sugar levels. Now is the time to take control of your health. Don't let this opportunity pass. Click the link below, visit the official website, and place your order now. Transform your life with GlucoFlush.